I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your account balance on Claro 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Claro app. Launch the Claro app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged in with your account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account information. Once you're in the app, look for the account balance section in the main menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. View balance. In the account section, your current balance should be displayed prominently. Take note of any additional details provided, such as expiration dates. Step 4. Use S code. If you prefer not to use the app, dial the S code *123# on your phone. Follow the prompts to get your balance. Step 5. Check notifications. After checking your balance, look for any notifications or alerts regarding your account. This can help you stay informed about promotions or changes. Remember, if you encounter any issues, sometimes the app may not load properly due to connectivity. Just try again in a few moments. Happy checking!